Planks are widely regarded as one of the most effective core exercises, yet most people perform them incorrectly, limiting their results. While crunches target only the superficial abdominal muscles, planks engage the transverse abdominis, the deepest layer of the core that stabilizes your spine, narrows your waist, and flattens your stomach. Despite their simplicity, the plank requires precise technique to maximize benefits and prevent injury. Why the plank is so effective? Unlike traditional exercises, the plank is an isometric movement, meaning your muscles contract without changing length. This creates constant tension in the core, which strengthens deep abdominal muscles, stabilizes the spine, and improves posture. The front plank also activates supporting muscles in the shoulders, arms, and glutes, making it a full-body core exercise. For example, rectus abdominis, engaged but not overemphasized. Transverse abdominis, primary stabilizer, works like a natural belt. Obliques support lateral stability. Shoulders and glutes help maintain body alignment. By understanding these mechanics, you can train smarter, not just harder. Common mistakes and how to correct them. 1. Hip position and spinal alignment. Mistake: hips sag too low or rise too high. Consequence: sagging increases lumbar load, raised hips reduce core engagement. Correction: maintain a straight line from shoulders to heels, tuck the pelvis slightly, and keep the spine neutral. 2. Arm and shoulder placement. Mistake: elbows too far forward or backward, shoulders shrugged. Consequence: reduces core engagement, increases shoulder strain. Correction: elbows directly under shoulders, shoulders packed down, hands comfortably placed. 3. Breathing and core engagement. Mistake: holding your breath or relaxing the core. Consequence: less abdominal activation, fatigue sets in faster. Correction: exhale slowly, draw your belly button toward your spine, maintain constant tension. 4. Feet and knee position. Mistake: knees bent or feet misaligned. Consequence: decreases overall core activation. Correction: fully extend knees, support yourself on the tips of your toes, engage quadriceps. 5. Scapula and shoulder blades. Mistake: shoulder blades spread apart. Consequence: chest takes over, abs work less. Correction: slightly draw shoulder blades together to force abdominal activation. Advanced tips for maximum results. Pelvis tuck. Rotate your pelvis slightly backward to increase core engagement. Progressive variations. Side plank, forearm plank, or weighted plank increase difficulty. Duration over intensity. Prioritize proper form over holding time. Quality always beats quantity. Deep abdominal retraction. Pull your abdomen inward as if touching your belly button to the spine. Activates the deepest fibers and strengthens control. By following these principles, the plank becomes not just a simple exercise, but a powerful tool for core strength, stability, and aesthetics. Every second you hold a plank with perfect form brings you closer to a stronger, more stable, and visually defined core. Stop wasting time with improper techniques and start training smarter. Consistency and precision will transform your abs, posture, and overall strength. Take action today. Perfect your plank, engage your core fully, and track your progress. For more scientifically proven workouts, tips, and strategies to build a strong and shredded core, subscribe to our channel, like this article, and share it with your fitness community. Your abs won't wait, and neither should you.